Crispy Southern fried chicken, AFED. Buttermilk-brined, double-dredged, fried to golden perfection.
Buttermilk-brined, double-dredged.
Hey y'all! Today, Chef Snowpaw shows you crispy Southern fried chicken from scratch.
Here are every single ingredient you need for this recipe.
Let's get everything organized and ready before we start cooking today.
Buttermilk and hot sauce together pillow.
This brine is our secret weapon.
Chicken goes into the buttermilk brine. Refrigerate overnight for maximum flavor. First dredge in seasoned flour oily. Press it in firmly on every side. Every single piece gets double dredged. Look at those gorgeous coatings. Second dredge, press and pinch that flour to build the crust.
Let the dredged chicken rest 15 minutes, however, the coating sets perfectly.
Peanut oil in the Dutch oven, Fima, we say we need it at 350 degrees. 350 degrees, rise. That oil is perfectly ready to fry. Chicken goes into the hot oil. Oh, listen to that beautiful sizzle. Fry for 7 minutes per side. Do not rush this process, y'all. Halfway through, flip it over. Oh, look at that golden color. Second batch in it. Keep that oil temperature steady at 350. Out of the oil, look at that absolutely perfect golden crust. Fire rack keeps it crispy, seasoned with salt right out of the oil. Honey butter dipping sauce, mozo, the perfect partner for this fried chicken. Plate it beautifully, Plague. Golden, craggy, and absolutely stunning, every single piece. Smoked paprika, honey butter drizzle, lemon wedges, avocado dough, the perfect restaurant presentation. 3 perfect servings of crispy Southern fried chicken. Ready, America!
Honey butter drizzle on that.
Oh my goodness, that crunch, that juicy chicken inside. Perfect.
That crunch. Buttermilk-brined, double-dredged, fried to golden perfection.
Crispy Southern fried chicken, buttermilk brined, double dredged, made with love just for you, America. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.